Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I have a very beautiful and very special guest.
Stop it, you street thing. Hi guys.
My friend Momo, ItsMazingMomo. You guys have seen her on my channel. It was like over a year ago.
Yeah, a year and some change.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Where have you? What the fuck? That's so long. Hi guys, I'm back.
Back.
Yeah.
Popping.
Yeah.
Still beautiful.
Oh. I aged very gracefully, darling.
Gracefully,
Gracefully.
So today we're doing a fun video. I asked on my Instagram story this morning, what do you guys want to see me film with Momo? And a lot of people are like, never have I ever.
Yes, funny enough, it's like so many. They were like, never.
We got quite a few like requests for tutorials like cut crease and eyeshadows, but then we already had done our makeup, so we're like, next time we'll film that. So you guys must let us know if you guys have anything else you'd like us like to see us collaborate on in the comment section below. So we're gonna dive straight into the video. We are doing the never have I ever challenge, and this is the dirty one.
The dirty version.
Make it fun.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like all the other ones like, oh, have you ever stolen
we want
from
spice.
the store?
No.
So besifuna inorox, iracha, aromati, kiwa, pepper, curry powder.
Fuck everything. You guys are gonna enjoy this,
my friend.
So, you know, it's a shock.
It's dirty. I went on a couple of blogs and I got like some questions that I thought were interesting, and I basically wrote up a list of.
Cover me,
Let me
Lord.
see how many. There's 18.
Lord.
There's 18. I don't want to make it too long. I think 18 is perfect.
It's perfect. Okay.
So if you have done something, Chomi Uti, I have.
Right.
And then if you haven't, Uti, never.
Okay, Chomi.
Ready.
Perfect.
Okay. Condom Max.
Condom, I'm body. Condom Max.
Condom Max.
Get it.
So the first question is, never have I ever sent a naughty picture.
Chomi.
I have.
You have?
I have.
Recently?
I think we all have.
No, we have. But I try not to. I don't know. I try not to
do it often because I mean I don't want every single Tom, Dick and Harry having like my pictures on their phone or like sending them to their group chats, because niggas be childish like that.
That's true.
But you know, if I feel like you're in my life long term and serious, then I don't mind just to spice up things.
That's true. Yeah, I also like that.
You?
Yeah, when I have recently, I try not to, because you know how people can play dirty these days. Like you break up with someone through social media. Social media, it's very tricky. That's why I always say it's such a tricky business. Like, phones around, it's a very tricky business because you easily people can your news. But I trusted you.
So you need to be very selective about who you actually share that part of yourself with.
That's true. That's true.
The next question is, never have I ever given a lap dance. Child. The next question is, never have I ever had a friend with benefits. I have this zonke mtagaba.
I'm also feeling that I feel like this is not gonna work today. Yeah, no.
Never have I ever had a threesome. No, I haven't.
I have. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassing. It was last year. So guys, can I be honest, because this is real talk. I've ever fantasized having one. Really? Yeah.
Oh,
you know, like I was like, oh my god, if I could feel like a porn star once in my life. And I came for what you asked for, because you just might get it. Guys, I was dying. I was 2 niggas, 1 hoe. Yeah, we can next one, page.
So you were that
I had. I was that bitch.
Management. Question number 5, never have I ever role played. I mean,
role play doesn't like you dressing up like nurse,
dress up, or maybe like act like a certain character.
Oh right, I see.
I've always fantasized over being like a stripper, so that's all I've done. I'm not gonna be like now acting like a cartoon character or some weird fetish that a man has.
A man has no, I've never.
I mean, nothing out of my comfort zone. So I have, but like I haven't gone the full way, I guess. So
I also say I will say never, because I've thought about it or fantasized about it. I mean, I had a boyfriend that liked it, but I didn't. I was like, no.
It's not your vibe.
No, it's not my vibe. No.
Yeah, it's
so
not for everyone.
Yeah.
So question number 6. Never have I skinny dipped. Oh my gosh, I got caught by the security guards while doing
Oh my god, wait. Oh my god. When?
Oh my gosh, guys, I was actually in high school. My gran was traveling to Durban and she booked into a hotel. So it was always her thing to book into a hotel because my gran is like someone who, as much as we have family in Durban, I got time to be so she'd rather book into a hotel.
Okay, right.
So we booked into a hotel and at night I'm like to my cousin, I want to go skinny dipping. She's like, okay girl, peace out, goodbye. So I get into the pool by the chairs. I'm in the pool naked. The security guard comes, he's like, Sisi, and I'm like, oh, ngiyaqolisa, and he's like, yeah, I'm like, okay, so puma manje. I'm like,
I was thinking,
yeah, it was so embarrassing. He was like, why? I was like, I'm sort of not dressed, and he's like, oh, you know, there's a camera right there. I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't see the camera either.
A friend, they were very lucky that day.
I never went back to that hotel.
I also wouldn't.
Ever.
I'd like to try. Yeah, no.
I mean, it's fun. You should. I feel like you should do it like.
Yeah, I've done it, but I've never been caught out.
With your mansies, something like kinky.
Yeah. Okay.
Definitely. Next question, number 7. Never have I ever made out with someone of the same sex.
Well, come on. I don't think this is gonna. Oh, with a woman? Never.
Yeah.
Get it? With a woman, never. Yeah, no.
Yeah,
no. Not with no.
Yeah.
No.
Not interested.
Yeah, no. I'm a heterosexual.
Strictly.
Yeah, I'm not gay.
Strictly. Okay. Number 8 is never have I ever flirted with a teacher. Oh my gosh, I have.
Oh my god, I have.
I was like obsessed with my bio teacher.
Physics teacher.
I was obsessed with him and I used to always flirt with him and he'd get so uncomfortable. And I high-key feel like he had a crush on me though. I high-key feel like he had a crush on me. Because the way he reacted, like he never reprimanded me for my actions. Like, why not discipline me? Why will I say I be cute, I blush and on bar. One day when I'm a woman, I'm coming for you.
I'm
coming for you.
Yeah. But I also had a physics teacher. Yeah, I was so distracted. I mean, he was Congolese. I mean,
hello.
Ooh, child. Yeah, let's see that. I also have.
Number 9 is never have I ever watched porn. I mean,
come on, guys.
Come on. Next one is never have I ever been to an adult store. Come on.
No, come on.
The next one, ooh, number 11. Never have I ever been shy in the bedroom. I have.
Like, no, I have. Yeah, no, me too.
I have.
Yeah, no, me too. I have. Because I mean, especially when you're new, like in a relationship or with a guy, you kind of do feel a bit.
You hold yourself.
Yes. Yeah.
So the next question is number 12, which is never have I ever faked an orgasm.
No, I've never.
Oh,
you too. Fabulous. So many people fake. Why must you fake?
Do I be faking it?
No.
If I was making sure pots, guys. The pots were not done.
They're not done.
And the pots were not done.
Yeah. And let's leave it right there. Yeah, and it's fine.
I mean, it's not okay. I mean, we've made it a norm in society to accept the fact that men get to like orgasm, and as soon as they've reached their climax, then it's like, okay, I'm done. And that's not really okay. It's men should prioritize also pleasing women, but if the parts are not done, then the parts are not done. I'm not gonna fake it just to like boost your ego.
No.
Sorry, sweetie. No.
Real bitches, no.
Like keep it real, boo.
No, keep it real. Keep it real.
Number 13 is never have I ever been with more than one person in a day. I've never slept with 2 people in one day.
Me too.
I personally cannot handle that.
Oh, well, I've had a threesome. What am I talking about?
Yeah, actually, girl.
Actually, what am I talking about?
The next question, number 14. Never have I ever given a guy a fake number.
Oh, I have.
My spillion.
My spillion. And doesn't it get annoying the fact that some of them they want to call you now and see your phone ring in front of you?
Because I'll be like, my battery's dead. Don't call me. my battery's dead, don't call me. I'll be like, don't call me. My favorite one is, let me take your number.
Yes, I like doing that. Yeah, let me, and get number. I'm like, I'll call you, it's fine. I'll call you, yeah.
The next one, number 15, never have I ever done drugs.
Oh, come on, guys. Oh my god, my mom was watching.
You know what? I'm very much anti-drugs.
Yeah.
Like, I've never tried cocaine, I've never tried heroin,
yeah.
I've never tried... But weed was once a drug. It is a drug. Is it a drug?
Well, the weed, people say it's not a drug, but apparently, well, it is a drug.
At some point it was.
It was a drug.
It was illegal.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing I have done drugs.
Yeah, I also have.
Because I've had a space muffin. But I'm not like a weed smoker. I don't know how to smoke.
Yo, I used to smoke so much weed.
Really?
In varsity. I used to smoke so much weed, guys. Before lunch, after lunch, before lecture, after lecture, before supper, just before bed. And
in high school, oh my gosh, my friends and I were such likers of things. There was a time I had Ugo. Do you know what Ugo is?
No, friend, what's that?
I think it's ecstasy. But in Durban they call it.
Oh yes, I think I've heard of that before.
So my friends and I were once out with these other guys and we were like, oh my gosh, we want to try this thing.
In high school.
But we were scared because we didn't want to like have a reaction and then next thing we have to call our parents.
Yes.
So we broke the pill in half. And we had one half each and it did nothing to us, like nothing. Okay. But besides that, I've never done drugs.
Yeah, no, me too. Unless you're talking about weed.
Next question is number 16. Never have I ever left my house without underwear. My spillion. Like, this is honestly, I won't even lie, this is my thing. I hate underwear. It's
a lot of people
uncomfortable.
Yeah.
So if I don't have to wear underwear, I don't.
At all?
Like, Commander.
Commander, darling, Commander. Yeah, I also have
pizza chomi. Yeah, but there've been situations where I've taken off my underwear, like since like maybe I'm at the club or I'm at a restaurant.
Or a bathroom.
Because I'm like, Ian pizza, I can't do this. I literally.
And I feel like a lot of people relate to that a lot. Actually, a lot of women actually don't.
And I mean,
like
to be quite honest, as much as we want to wear like lingerie and be sexy, it's uncomfortable. Like the most comfortable panties are your basic seamless. Plain black, grey. Not as a sexy lace. Uncomfortable.
They are very
uncomfortable. So.
They make you aware that they're there. No, I do wear underwear. I enjoy, but it needs to be comfortable. I like comfortable underwear.
Yeah.
Like I like. But I mean, there were times where I enjoy not wearing, especially when I'm at home. I don't like wearing clothes when I'm at home. I like being naked, but I do appreciate comfortable underwear. I hate uncomfortable underwear. No.
Same, I agree. Number 17 is never have I ever had sex with someone 10 years older than me.
Lord. Continue. How old am I again? Oh no, yeah.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
The last question is.
Thank goodness. Oh my lord, this train is stopping.
This one is like super chilled. Never have I ever broken the law. I have. I have. I recently drove without a license.
I know. I thought about that. I'm like, literally, we drove here
without a license.
Without a motherfucking license.
Yeah, so I definitely have. Guys, my wallet got stolen, so everything is gone.
Mine too.
My card gone, ID gone, license gone.
Mine too. Even my makeup brushes.
I need to sort my life out ASAP.
Yeah, no, my life is in shambles.
So that is it for today's video, my loves. I'm sad it had to come to an end. That was really fun.
So annoyed. Now I need to go home. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.
Thank you for tuning in. And yeah, you guys must also watch the video that we put up on Momo's channel. I will leave a link in the description box as well. You also go like, comment, and subscribe to her channel. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed here. Join the fam bam.
Yes,
Thank you so much for tuning in, my loves. I will see you guys next time. Bye.